Hey folks, welcome to the Camping Post. In this video, we're going to talk about replacing the bathroom fan vent cover on the outside of our Intech Sol Dawn. A couple weeks ago, we had been getting some items out of the camper because we were getting ready to go on vacation, and I had left the cover open to let some fresh air in. It was about to storm, so my buddy told me to come close it. And when I went to go close it, I noticed that it came completely off the hinge while I was cranking it back down. I looked up there and noticed that the hinge on the plastic cover was completely gone. So now that we have our camper back at the house, I ordered a part and we're going to replace that. We're going to show you what we got and how we did it. Thanks for watching. All right, so I got to be completely honest here. I went into this a little blind. I did look on the Intech site and they do have a bathroom fan replacement. However, it's the full assembly and all I really wanted was the cover, which they did not sell separately. So I simply searched Amazon and looked for something that had the same size. I did get some measurements, about 13 inches, and tried to find something the same characteristics. And I counted the little points on the back where the hinge attached, and it looked like that matched. There's 6 little fins on the back that I could count, and that's exactly what we had here on this one. And compared to what was already on the roof, they looked like they were pretty close, so I was going to give this a shot. And yep, this thing is total toast.
Hinge broke off, yay. But looks like this has same mechanism here and here. So let's see if we can just swap this out. Right now, got the whole thing cranked off. I'm gonna try and remove this one by sliding towards the point. Old one comes off. Piece right there.
Now note there is a little rectangular bracket on the back of that rod that acts as a washer, so you want to make sure you keep that. So I've got my handy dandy spray bottle here just with some hot water. I'm going to spray that around the seal and around the edges and just wipe that down with a little cloth before we put on the new cap. So the spray bottle is really meant to be a mister to help keep you cool. We use it for camping, at the beach, or at soccer games. But now I'm finding some additional uses for it, and we'll put a link to that down in the description. In full transparency, this didn't come with any instructions at all, and I was kind of hoping I would just be able to quickly swap this out. So we're going to kind of show you the whole process here as we did it.
Get this up onto the hinge. Make sure this metal piece is on the back side. Sliding.
Well, it doesn't look like that way is going to work because we can't get the round piece into the slot.
Put this on first, then slide it down. Then how do we get on the hinge?
Well, that didn't work either because we couldn't move the rod back far enough to be able to get the hinge to engage. So
we're gonna have to lower this a little bit. All the way up. Might have to fake this somehow. Don't want to have to release this whole part. Probably what you have to do
So since these bath fans are typically sold in a full assembly and you'd replace the whole unit, you probably have to take a good portion of this assembly apart in order to get this rod to line up correctly. So I'm just going to use some brute force here and push that little round circle into the track.
Okay. Kind of had to do a hack there, but let's see if that works. Make sure the seal is in the right place. We're gonna turn it down.
Now we have a functioning bath fan cover.
I hope that this has been helpful, and thanks for watching. Happy camping.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications.